Hey guys, I wanted to give you a little quick tip. Some of you may know this, but some of this stuff's useful. Here we have a situation where this truck here, it had air conditioning, but we don't know, it didn't work when we got it and the compressor was locked up, so we don't know anything about it other than at one time it had been serviced and it was converted to 134A. We don't know if it was done properly or not, so best scenario would be to just take everything apart, flush it, clean it, put it back together so that you know. Had a spare compressor, so this one works. It's good. Got it in place. Cleaned out the condenser and stuff, put it back on. We're ready to go back with everything else, but I took the evaporator out and cleaned it all up and everything. But how do we know if it's going to work right once we charge it and everything? Why can't we just know a little ahead of time that it's going to kind of work, right, power wise? So what I've done, if you can see down in there, this is the part that goes to the little low pressure switch on the dryer. So I just made a jumper there, so made that one complete loop, and this wire here goes to your compressor. You probably know that's what that looks like, right? Well, all I did was put my test light. They're invaluable. Everybody needs a test light. Put my test light there, ran my ground to the battery, and if everything goes well, this is going to help us determine whether our relay is good or bad, and if our AC switch is good or bad before we get all involved in everything else, like we're not already. So I'm going to turn the key on, and I'm going to turn the fan on. First thing I'm going to do is see, I've got a 1, I've got 2, I've got 3, and I've got 4. So that's good. Now, if I press the switch, my light came on. I'm going to turn it off. So that's my compressor cutting on. So it's gonna work. And that's all I really wanted to show you guys. If you can see the little lights lit up. So, I mean, we know our switch works. The relay, of course, it works. It's actually going to do a little more work when the thermocoupler reaches 33.8 degrees and tells it all to turn off while the switch is still on, So anyways, this is a good sign. Just wanted to share it with you guys. A little quick test.